Business para number 1. 3, 2, 1, start. Punjab's unplanned power subsidies have emerged as the second most significant impediment to Pakistan's such anticipated $7 billion bailout from the International Monetary Fund IMF. In July, Pakistan reached a staff level agreement SLA for a new 37-month $7 billion extended fund facility. However, the agreement will take effect following the IMF Executive Board meeting, which has yet to be placed on its schedule despite having held two meetings at the sidelines of the weekly seminar. The executive director of the Sustainable Development Policy Institute SDPI, he said that the government should take the IMF into confidence over power subsidies announced at the federal and provincial levels. New para. He pointed out that the federal and Punjab governments may have genuine intentions in announcing power subsidies, which could catch the IMF by surprise and influence the executive board's approval. The IMF has already asked Pakistan to seek a $12 billion debt rollover from friendly countries. He emphasized that international financial lending institutions have a strong aversion to surprises, as these can completely upend the conditions and modalities established in the agreements. The IMF should not be surprised but rather taken into confidence, as the fund has asked to recover the full cost of electricity from consumers, and there is no change possible after reaching a SLA in July, he said. New para. However, diplomatic sources in Washington told Dawn that although Pakistan does not currently appear on the IMF's calendar until September 18, this does not necessarily mean the country is off the fund's agenda. The IMF calendar lists upcoming executive board meetings to address issues such as requests from member states for new assistance packages. Since all board members participate in these discussions, meeting organizers must distribute agendas and related documents at least 2 weeks before any scheduled meeting. However, sources within the IMF have clarified that not all planned meetings are listed on the calendar. For instance, in the second week of April, the fund published a schedule of its executive board's meetings on its website, which did not include Pakistan. The end.